Hey gang, Jim here. Happy Microsoft Monday. Yeah, I know it's Tuesday. And also it's a bad hair day, so I'm not going to be on camera. For a really short Excel tip, looking at this list, we're going to talk about a custom list in Excel and how it works. There are times in Excel you just don't need to put any additional information in. For example, in cell A1, I have the word January, and I want to, across the top of row 1, have all of the months there. Well, believe it or not, I don't have to type anything other than January. I can just click right in the A1 cell, grab the autofill handle, move it over. You can actually see what's happening in the hidden notes, and that gives me all of the months. And in fact, if I put in A2 just JAN, not all of January, and sometimes Excel wants to autofill for you, but if I put JAN in there and then go across, we can have all of those in a brief, short order. And in fact, let's look at Saturday. You know what's going to happen. Autofill, drag it across, bring it, about 7 days across, and there it is. Now, how does that happen, and can I use that to my advantage? And the answer is yes, you can, and that is using a custom list. What would be a purpose for this? Well, if I have a list of names that I want to alphabetize, but I want to put a few of the people at the very top of the list, maybe there are VIPs, and I don't want them to really get lost into the entire list, I can create a custom list. And how you do that is actually digging into the same place that we went to last week, which is the options menu. So let's go there right now, and let's really quickly see how to build this. We're going to go to File. At the very bottom of that vertical navigation bar, we're going to go to Options. And then under the Excel options, we're going to go to Advanced. And when we click on Advanced, and don't you hate that Excel hid this all the way down here so you couldn't find it easily? We're going to have to scroll almost all the way down, and we are going to look for a button that says Edit Custom Lists. When we click on it, we're going to see that there are lists that are in here, and the first 4, the days of the week and the months, were pre-populated by Excel, and that's why those shortcuts will work out of the box. Now the other 2 I've put in there. Well, actually what I'm going to do right now is delete them so we can build this from scratch. So I have a couple of names here, and I'm going to get rid of those. So now we have just what Excel gave us. But maybe I want to put 3 names in a particular order. So I can, on the right side where it says List Entries, I can type in the names separated by commas: Spellos, Smith, Jones, maybe we'll do a few more, Johnson, and I don't know, Terry. Added them in, spelled them properly, separated with commas, and now I'm going to hit Add. And as you'll see, that will add that to the custom list on the left. Now we need to click OK, and then OK again, and we're back where we thought we were, at the basic blank screen. But I'm going to put my cursor in E5. Doesn't matter where, because we can do this from anywhere. And I'm going to type in my last name. Now, by using that autofill handle, and let's just complete it, use the autofill, drag it down, and what do you know? And by the way, it does work, as you now see, both vertically and horizontally. What's also interesting is you don't have to start with the first name that you typed in. I could start with Jones and grab that down, and as you see, it's going to go to Johnson, then Terry, and then it's going to wrap it back over, so I can just keep looping that name. So anytime you want a custom list, you just need to build it in Excel first. One interesting note is this building is not specific to any given workbook or worksheet. It is across the entire platform. So once you build that custom list once, it is available for you in any of the workbooks and worksheets that you use. Pretty sweet. Very easy. If you have a really early version of Excel, I mean pre the online stuff, you may need to search a little bit to see where they put it, because they always hide the custom lists. But we know in the options, especially right now, we can find it there, and once you find it there, you can put it to your use. Hope you enjoy. Happy Microsoft Monday, Tuesday, whatever day of the week. This is going to be a busy week, so I'm going to try to get the videos out. And be well, enjoy, take care.